Welcome to Dairy Farm Pest Control number 40 with the FX Dreamline in 177. So picking up where number 39 left off. Again, I'm shooting the FX Dreamline with the Terminator, H&N Terminator pellets in 177. And if you've been watching the previous videos, these things are working really well. So it's really amazing how good these things are working at such a slow speed. So really happy with them. So this is a rather short one because this will finish out the night that I spent at this one dairy. And I think you'll be surprised at how many pigeons I ended up getting that night. And that again covers video number 37, 38, 39, less the starling clip that I put at the end of it, and then this one. So my favorite bird, got him again, so gotta love that. This guy's sitting so nice. Take him out. And here I see a bunch of starlings. They started to show up in this barn, so I'm like, well, if you guys aren't going to move, I might as well just start taking you out now. So in this particular barn, I was able to turn out the light because I knew where the switch was. So these guys aren't as likely to fly, and the part looks a lot clearer. So this guy's sitting up there at the top. I'm like, yeah, I think I can get him. And I was able to get him, so I was happy about that. And there he is. This guy's like, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Nope, I take that guy instead. Don't ask me why. I have no idea. But he stayed, so okay, I'll take you next. It's a nice shot in the neck. Can't get those guys, they're too close to the C rail. So here they are again, all lined up. Can't pass this up. I'm not sure if I hit a bird or not. I mean, I moved it the last second, so I'm not replaying that. But I'm not sure. So that wraps it up. And you'll see the carnage that was on the barn. And at the end of the night, with all those videos, the total count was 110 birds, which is just amazing. I didn't know that I had gotten that many. And when I went there another night to see if there was any more, there weren't. And I sent the farmer a text and said, "Where are all the pigeons?" And he laughed. And he said, "They're all gone." So he was one happy guy. So thanks again for watching, and see you at the next video.